So in today's session, we are going to discuss about the Guidewire cloud platform, because as in when we know, like Guidewire is one of the leading property and casualty insurance application, which is majorly used for managing policies, billing claims, all that. In that regard, so when we are working on the Guideware, because we have two things. One is on the legacy on-premise services we are using for a very long time in the insurance sector, irrespective of the organizations. Now we are moving nowadays towards Guidewire cloud environment, because in the cloud environment where whatever the required infrastructure, everything will be managed in the virtual environment, whether it can be infrastructure platform, at the same time software services, all that. In this regard, so when we try to understand about the Guidewire cloud uh, architecture, Guidewire cloud platform generally, the Guidewire cloud platform uses hybrid cloud tenancy model, because normally we have three things, right? So one is about the public cloud, second is private cloud, third is a hybrid cloud, because as far as the cloud services are concerned, irrespective of the cloud service provider we are using. Public cloud example I can give you, like for example, when you want to create any website or something, right? So the kind of space that they provide, or any kind of emailing system. This is all about the public cloud, that. Second, private cloud means separate private cloud space will be provided, whichever the infrastructure services that we want, or any platform or software services will be provided over there. But when it comes to the Guidewire cloud itself is concerned, Guidewire cloud uses hybrid cloud tenancy model. This is what generally the model is, which normally uses in the hybrid cloud. This will be of two different types. One is about single tenant services. This is the first one. Second is called multi-tenant services. Excuse me. Multi-tenant services. So these are the two different type of services we have. When it comes to the single tenant services, as in when we know, like where application will be deployed in the single tenant instances for each insurance carrier. When it comes to the multi-tenant services are concerned, which includes even microservices, because microservices where individual components we can create a separate microservices. That's the reason why multi-tenant services are includes microservices which separated from the core application by providing any PNC functional capabilities on that. So these are the two different tenancy models we are using. One is about the single tenant services, as I told you, where application will be deployed in the single tenant instances and all. Next, second about multi-tenant services, where this includes microservices, where it separates from core application, provides any property casualty capabilities, all that. Now, when we try to understand about the kind of terminologies that we are using in Guidewire Cloud Platform, GWPC, there were four. One is about called it as Galaxy. Second one is called Quadrant. Third, we call it as star system. And second is called Planet, right? So what are these? And because Galaxy, majorly we call it as region, right? So all that stuff, that part we are going to discuss in the coming session.